In this video we are going to analysis Indian Pesticides Limited. So this is the chart of the Indian Pesticides Limited. So here you can see this IPO was recently opened and now the price is at 329 rupees of this stock. So we are going to analysis this stock. Here a good movement can be seen in the stock, as here you can see I already made a last video. I already uploaded a video of this stock. Here you can see we predicted before also that this much movement can be seen in this stock, and here you can see we took a video also here and it achieved successfully. The target has been successfully achieved here. Breakout has been happened here and target has been successfully achieved, you can see. And now here another pattern has been formed. Here you can see again a pattern has been formed, you can see clearly here, and the targets are 6% up movement. Here you can see the price 6% up movement on the stock, that is 349. The stock can go up to 349. Now the stock is at 329. 20 rupees up movement can be seen after breaking out of this pattern here, after breakout of here. Okay, and if breakdown happens below this, then it will go up to here guys, that is 308 rupees. Same target, 20 rupees downside. Okay, and it can took support any one of the support zones here, and bounce back can be seen. Even here also it can take support and again bounce back can be seen like this. Here took support and again bounce back has been seen like that, also can be happened. So here you can see this acts as a support zone and resistance zone. Before it was resistant, but after breakout here it has been support. So here you can see the support has been took here and again bounce back has been seen in the stock, and now the pattern is formed like this symmetric triangle pattern. Here this after the breakout and breakdown, it depends. If breakout happens, then it will go up to here, upside movement can be seen 349, and if breakdown happens, then it will go up to these levels, so 308. So it can take support in this support zone, this green line, and then acts as a major. You can see as this stock has been gone like this, up again down and up and again down and again up and again down and up. Breakout can be seen upside like that, or if downside breakdown can be seen like this. The stock can go upside or downside, whatever happens. It can took support here also, or any one of the support zones, these yellow lines. Okay, so if up goes, it will break this each and every resistances and will go achieve this target. Chances are there. And here after breakout of the triangle, you can see triangle pattern, these targets can be achieved. Okay, so the target is upside movement after the breakout is 349 rupees. 349 rupees guys, 349 rupees upside movement can be seen. Stock up 349 rupees up to here targets, and if down it can go up to 307 rupees guys, that is 20 rupees upside and downside movement can be seen in this stock. Okay, after breaking of this pattern. So this is the complete analysis of the Indian Pesticides Limited stock. Okay, so you can note down these points or take a screenshot. 349 and 307. Okay, thanks for watching.